Hi everyone, and welcome back to the Burnt Brass Homestead channel. This is the end of the 7th week, so the birds arrived 7 weeks ago here on the homestead. So this is Saturday evening and they're kind of getting ready to turn in for the night. Typically they are spread out a little more, but this evening they're kind of bunching around each other, although it is not cold this evening. It's about maybe 70 something degrees outside. So in the previous clip, the feed was removed from the chicken coop. We removed the feed every night, and here is Sunday morning where the feed was added to the chicken coop, and we feed the birds 12 hours a day and remove their feed for 12 hours a day. So here they are feasting away. And looking at their weight, they look to be pretty good, but you know, their feathers are a little deceiving, so we'll know once the birds are cold and defeathered to get a real weight. So here you can see, even when we remove the feed from the chicken coops, the birds still have access to fresh grass to feast off of. Here is a clip of the day the birds arrived, and this was just 7 weeks ago. So you can see how quickly Cornish cross grow in as little as 8 to 9 weeks. And here's another look at them today. So 7 weeks. They look pretty healthy. The breasts look pretty big, but again, the feathers can be deceiving. So we'll know either next Sunday. We're planning to butcher the birds this coming Sunday. So we'll know then how much the birds weigh, and you know how well we did this time at raising them. I'm looking for 5 to 6 pounds per bird. That will be great for us. So we'll see. I really hope that these videos was encouraging for people to start their own meat birds or layers, especially looking at the video that I did a couple weeks ago showing all of the factories that were burning down, the millions of birds that were killed. So hopefully this is encouraging to you to not be dependent on supermarkets to get your meat, and you can raise them right in your own backyard. So please check back and I'll show you guys what process we follow to butcher our chickens, and feel free to leave comments and questions.